Hey guys, welcome back here. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Your presence means a lot. My name is Gold, and in today's video, we are unboxing Beauty Day Advent Calendar 2025. Guys, I'm really excited getting this box. This video was not sponsored. I just love review products and to share my opinion about them. So guys, the box contains 27 beauty essentials, while 23 of these products are fine for women. The full box was £450, but because I ordered two Advent calendar box, I paid £110. You can't do that. In this box, you have your skincare products, your hair products, your body cream, and of course, makeup. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's unravel this box. Wow, this is beautiful. I love the color combo, gold and white. As you can see, the box is divided into two, so I will name them A and B. For now, I'm working with A, and I noticed the numbers on this box are not even. B is going to be part 2, so keep watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in our eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it just like the sunrise. We gonna let it rain. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt.